Hi, hello, it's me Nafees from the South Asia Head of Sales. Today I'm gonna welcoming you to all of you, our beloved brand Meari, Technology Company Limited, the factory. Today we're gonna see our factory, each and every department, to show you how big we are and how to produce the world leading brand Meari products. Thanks and follow with me. You see, it's our factory office. In here we do our official proposals purpose over here, and we also do some QC related work over this place. So right now I'm going to the sample trial workshop. So here we are actually making the sample before the bulk production. I'm going to show. Hi, so right now I am in the trial production line. This production line we will see how to make the Meari product. For before bulk production, we do our trial level best to give the production unit as a pre-sample test. Okay, we're going to see. And this one is our warehouse, especially for our essential parts and the equipment and accessories. So when we receive these kinds of materials, so we just store over here. And here I'm going to give you the IQC inspection office. You can see when we receive the materials of the camera, then we check each and every things very detailed. For that, our customer get the best results. This is the SMT production line. You can see we use this production line for making our board. And this is our PCBA units section. In here we just tested our all boards with the PC, that is everything okay or not in here. This one is the purification unit. In here we maintain the 100,000% dust free zone for the highest level, for the clean, for our parts, for our chipset, for our lens. So you can see our workers are so careful about this thing. You can see. You see, it's our production line. Okay, so here we are doing the bulk production for all over the world. And this is our IP65 grading test. During the production, we tested our all outdoor units for testing it's okay or not the IP65 grading, because for the outdoor camera, the weather technology is very important. Whether this is rainfall, whether this is snowfall, we need to think our every device with very carefully. So this unit, we will be confirmed that this protection is okay or not. And this is our test one unit. This unit, we are doing test every camera from the bottom to down. That means every camera have any single problem have or not. The firmware test, the hardware test, the software test, everything is functionable or not. We're testing everything over here, and we also build a software system. That one is a test one. It's our own app. So in this inspection center, our every device is checked by the Wi-Fi signal is okay or not. That's why you see in the market our Meari product Wi-Fi range is very stable and is very good, because our every product before we shipment we checked out is it the signal is okay or not. So this is our visual inspection section. In here we visual inspection our every products, every single products. As you see, it's our Meari. And this is our inspection area for the weight measurement, because our every camera you have to inspection the every accessories is in on the box or not, to confirm that the customer will get the every accessories when they purchasing. This is our FQC section. In here we can see our camera is comparable with any our apps or not. We check the every details of the camera is working with our apps or not. We just make sure to confirm for our end customer. And this is our initially warehouse from the factory. We initially stock out our all products in here, and after that we send all the products to the main warehouse.